Hello, Namaskar, Vanakkam. This is our website, your website, my website, our website, studywithsudhir.com. I want to tell you कि हमारा ऐप अभी लागू नहीं है, सो वहां पर मैसेजेस डालना बंद कीजिए. बहुत दिनों में एक बार कभी देख लेता हूं वहां पे, सो आई मे नॉट बी रेगुलर आउट देयर. सो studywithsudhir.com is the name of the website where all our test papers are located. So when you log in for the first time, I am doing this explainer video because a lot of students keep asking me doubts. So I thought एक explainer video डाल देता हूं ताकि आपको कोई दिक्कत ना हो. So what is it that you need to do? studywithsudhir.com, when you log in for the first time, this is what you are going to see. This is the home page. Okay, the basic introduction, our credentials, and then you have the 3 books that I have written. This one, the bestseller, The Grammatically Yours, for both ICSE and ISE, available on Amazon, Flipkart, as well as oswaldbooks.com. Then you have the ISE essays book, right, which has 60 essays, from where a lot of stuff has come, not only the board exam but also in CUET. Okay, and this is the book for ICSE letters, essays, notices, and email. Again, getting huge response. Many of the essays and letters from this book have come in the pre-board examinations and the half-yearly examinations of ICSE class 10. So these are the 3 books. And then the testimonials, very generous testimonials, all of them genuine. We have proof of each one of them. Then there are some blog posts that I've written which will really help you to go through to understand what is there. If you click see all, you will see all of them out there. And let me go back. And then you have the teachers and some students interviews, 4 of them. There should be more. I have not been very regular out there. And this is about a faculty. Of course, you will know more about me and Tejaswini in the About Us section on our YouTube channel, right? So this is what you see when you log on to studywithsudhir.com for the first time. What is it that you need to do? Very simple website. This site has been developed by an old friend of mine who I know since 1998. He was the IT head of our company, so someone very senior. So the first step that you need to do is to get started. Okay, get started button, the red color button. You enter your your email ID. Please remember 2 things out here. Please ensure that the email address is correct. There are students who are writing whatever the name, and then writing in carelessness gmail.com. If you don't even write gmail.com correct spelling, how will you get the OTP? So please don't make such mistakes. Point number 2, please remember, and this is a very common mistake many of you are doing, you are entering an email ID which is full. So if it is full, you will not get the OTP. The OTP will not be delivered to your mailbox because it is full, or the OTPs are going to your spam folder which you are not checking and going on saying I am not getting my OTP. So please ensure against these 3 things so that everything goes on smoothly. We don't have many days before the examinations. So you enter your email ID, whatever your email ID, and then you put send OTP. You will get the OTP in your email inbox, okay, or the spam folder, as the case may be. Enter the OTP. You are now registered on the website. You are registered on the website. Okay, I hope this is clear. And this is a one-time process. The next time you don't have to register yourself. With that email ID, you have registered yourself, so there is no problem. The next step after that is to sign in. You need to sign in with the same email ID. The same email ID with which you are registered, you need to sign in. So let me now do that thing of signing in, getting the OTP, and then I will meet you after I have signed in. Okay. Okay. So now I have signed in with my email ID. I got the OTP. So now this is what you will see on the screen. Now you see the number of icons on top have increased, but because now you have access to all that we are providing here on the website. Okay, so you have the test papers. What I keep saying, test papers icon is right on top. This is what you will see if you are logging on a laptop or a PC. If you are logging in on a mobile phone, what you are likely to see is there will be 3 lines which will be on the top right. There will be 3 lines. Click on those 3 lines, you will see all these icons. Okay, that's all you need to do if you are logging in on a mobile phone. On a laptop, this is what you will see after pressing get started, registering your email ID, which is a one-time process. I repeat, the next time you will not be asked if you are doing it with the same email ID. Then you sign in with the same email ID. The OTP will be asked for a second time, and this is what you will see. Now, what is it? All these things are same. The one thing that is new is don't go to notes. There is nothing on notes. That's not something which I've put here. The notes are on Study with Sudhir Instagram page reels. Okay, for Prism and Rhapsody for class 12, for Treasure Chest, or for class 10 and 9. Okay, for 11th class also Prism and Rhapsody. So if you go to, let's say, so if you go to free test, okay, now I have bought one course out here, which is the History-Civics course. I have bought it through this email ID. Otherwise, if you go down, this is what you are likely to see. These are all the free tests which I have provided. Ignore the last 2 ones. These are all the free tests which have been provided so that you get used to this website. Each one of them, I think, has 10 questions. Okay, these are all the free tests which are there for ICSE class 10 largely. One is for ISC class 12, so that you can also, this one is also for class 12, right? So these are all to make you familiarized with the website. Now, this is where, once you have done this, this is where the test papers are. The test papers, the CUET test papers, which you have just launched, which is going to be the blockbuster test paper series, because I'm going to load so much for English for the CUET examination. So if you are a class 12 student taking the CUET 2026, please get this. Right now, I put some 7-8 papers, but there's going to be a lot more. Trust me, there will be a lot more coming up on this one. Then there is the biology MCQ. There are 2 test papers series. One is for English literature. The other is comprehension and grammar. The others are all MCQ banks, which are very large in number. Biology, there are 400 MCQs. Chemistry, there are 300 MCQs. All of them competency-based MCQs, not altu faltu ka lollipop rasgulla MCQs nahi dale hain maine. I have put all MCQs which I think where thoda sa dimag lagana padega. Okay. Geography, 400 MCQs. This is the 9th and 10th comprehension and grammar test papers. There are 10 comprehension passages. There are grammar tests for tenses, for prepositions, for transformation of sentences, and join the sentences all here, right? Then this is the literature thing. I put 7 test papers. 5 have already been put. 1 more will be put in January and 1 in early February, right? This is for class 10. This is the History-Civics, 400 MCQs. Physical education, your optional subject, 200 MCQs. This is physics, again 200, which is one of the largest selling. 200 MCQs bank. One student wrote to me that many of the questions had also come in the pre-board examinations. This is the ISC class 11 and 12 comprehension and grammar test papers, similar to the 9th and 10th. There are 5 passages in this. This is the ISC class 11 English literature, not modern English, but the Macbeth, Prism and Rhapsody. This is the class 9 English literature test paper series, proper 80 marks test papers. And finally, this is for class 12. So what essentially, let's say you pick up any one of them. Let's say I pick up physics. So what you see immediately which are all the different MCQ. These are all done chapter wise. The MCQs have been done. Work, power, energy, sound, modern physics. They're arranged in alphabetical order, not exactly in the order in which the chapters are there, but that should not be a problem. Not too many. So these are the different chapters for which the thing is coming. So what you need to do is essentially to go to buy and subscribe. You see out here, okay, 149 rupees. What you see here is what you pay. You don't pay 1 paisa more than 149, which is the cost of this one. Okay. And then when you click on terms and conditions, this is something which you need to see. It says the test papers are curated keeping the board exams or the final exams in mind. These test papers can be accessed till the expiry date on every package. Downloading, taking screenshots, copying of content strictly prohibited. We have had too many issues like this. So please cooperate, which is why the prices have been kept so low so that you don't need to do this. There have been students, and I was heartbroken last year, students who have taught for 3-4 years doing this for money's sake. Don't do this. You all come from good families. Let's keep it honest. That's the essential purpose. This is a test paper series. Kindly do not answer. I try to reply to doubts, but don't make it too many because it becomes a little difficult, right? No process of refund. So you agree to that. You agree to that, and then you proceed to check out, and that's when it will take you to the entire payment gateway, and you can use your UPI code or whatever kind of thing to this thing. Since I have not entered it, it will not come. You need to enter it, and then you can use it to access it. Okay, so let me go back to it. Let me just exit right now. Okay, so this is how the entire thing works. It's simple. There is no issues. There is no issue at all if you do this. If you do not sign out, then you don't even have to sign in the next time, right? So it's very simple. You keep it signed on your laptop or on your PC or your mobile phone, and you can immediately access it the next time without having to go through the entire thing of entering email ID or getting OTP, etc. Don't do all that. So that is the essential process. I thought I'll just put this out so that you have a thing. And when you go to my subscriptions, you will have an idea. Okay, like for example, on this one, I bought the History-Civics one. Okay, so this is valid till the 17th of March 2026. That is 66 more days from today. And you can view the package here. If I click here, I'll be able to see the package here. And that's how it really works. For example, let's say Civics 100 MCQ. So if I start the first one, this is how it will look like. You know, you click on the right one, for example, start this thing, which is likely to play this thing, Rajya Sabha. I press this thing. So the first answer has been click mark, right? Then the loses a no confidence motion, whatever happens. And if you suppose you don't want to answer this one, you go to the next one. You can skip this thing, and finally you submit quiz at the end, at which point in time you would get the entire answer key. Same case even for the long format, the literature questions and answers. You need to write something, even if it is half a sentence, and then submit. Then you will get the entire answer key, right? As I said, do not take screenshots, don't download, don't do all those things. Let's keep it very, very honest. You are coming from good families. Let's do a proper preparation for your board exam so that all of you are in the 80 on 80 bracket. Okay, tata, bye bye. Thank you very much. This is what I wanted to tell you, so that this simple video explains what a simple and effective website we have created, all for you students. Thank you very much. Tata, bye bye. Namaskar.